Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Summit White 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD 4x4 Classic LT Double Cab, stock number A7045. Starting up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a black painted alloy rim that is wrapped in a Hercules Terra tire. You have running boards along the sides. And then inside there is a gray cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 3 up front. And we'll take a look at the back seat. Might be a little hard to see, but you've got seating for 3 back here as well, making this a 6-passenger Silverado. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. All right, coming back to the rear, there is a trailer hitch. You've got a soft tonneau cover up top that's in great shape. And the reason that I'm showing you this Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. To the left of the steering wheel, there is a 4x4 push-button control system. This is equipped with cruise control. Looking up at the rear view mirror, you have a compass and temperature display here. Coming down further, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 6.6-liter V8 engine. If you'd like to get more information on this Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.